There's a note. Should we read the note? Here.
What's in the bag?
Let's read the note. Let's read the note.
I think
It says, Dear Abigail, great job at school. You are doing amazing. I love you. I hope you love your new angry kitten. Take good care of it and name it. Love, Auntie JoJo and Cousin Charlie. Who's that?
Mama. Me.
That's you.
But I will get the name now. I will name her Love.
Love.
Me.
Here. Let's open this. You want to finish opening it? Mommy got it started for you.
I see Mama. I see some of her fur.
Yeah?
I think it's hard.
All right, finish up. Here, rip it like, yeah, tear it here. Oh, that is strong.
Mama. I will put her very careful. Mama, Mama.
Ooh.
I make her blue eye.
Yeah?
Me. That. Me, Mama.
What do you say? Say thank you, Auntie JoJo.
Thank you, Auntie JoJo.
And Cousin Charlie.
And Cousin Charlie. And they left her blue eye.
Yeah, turn it around. Let's see her. Oh, wow. Look at the paper.
Mama.
Oh, very nice. Oh, you got a little toy for her to play with already. What were you going to name her?
Well, I will name her Love.
Love?
Love.
Okay.
Because I think she can, her favorite color has pink just like me.
Okay.
So that's mine. You're mine.
Let's
All right.
open Alexander's present.